Hey Robert, my name is Brandon from Sublime SEO Pro, and in this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 tips and tricks so that you can outrank your top competitor online. So when you type in water and flood restoration in Denver, here is what the first page of Google looks like. You've got your Google ads right here, which is a little bit different, but we can talk about that at another time if you're interested. But you've got your Google Map Pack here and your organic searches here. Now, I'm going to be comparing your website to this #1 organic search right here and show you why they are beating you and the other competition out. Okay, so you're probably wondering why the heck I'm even shooting this in the first place. And honestly, the reason is because a lot of small business owners, including myself, I've been a small business owner in different industries, and we're so busy running the facets of our industry and our business and taking care of our customers that we really don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring us more customers. Okay, so the only thing that really is stopping people from doing this is they don't know who truly is an expert and who is not. So I've started creating an attack plan to show small business owners here in Q4 how we can do this so that it helps you grow and scale and hit your goals for 2023. So some people take this information and they do with it as they please and they do it themselves. And some people say, you know what, Brandon, I like you. I don't have the time or tools or motivation to do this. Can you help me do it? Whatever you decide to do with this info is okay with me. The only goal for me is that you learn something from this video and to help you make a lot of money. Okay, so I'm going to talk about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is content. So here's your homepage here of your website, and it could use some work. I'm not, no offense, I'm not trying to offend you, but there's some things that we can do to spice up the design. But honestly, the design isn't really what matters. You could have the most boring looking website ever, and what matters is the content within your website. So the first thing we need to do is get you up to 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. The average website on Google has 1,500 words. So if you can get up to 1,500 to 2,000, that will help. But it's not just the content that matters, it's what is included in the content. So Google mostly cares about what we call buyer intent keywords. So these are keywords that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for your product or service. Okay, so we need to make sure that we fill this entire website with keywords. So what does that mean? So this is Ahrefs. This is a paid tool that I use. You can find other tools that you don't have to pay for, but it kind of helps us look at some of your analytics here. So I pulled up your website, and then I also have your top competitor's website and their analytics there. So let's look at yours first. So it says that you've got one keyword that is a buyer intent keyword, probably. Let's see what it is. Okay, so ASAP water. So that's not necessarily a buyer keyword because somebody's not going to type that in if they're looking to fix their, water damage. What a keyword would look like would be water damage repair in Denver. Denver water restoration companies. Those are keywords. So we need to fit those into your website grammatically so that it flows properly. And so here you have one keyword. Let's look at your top competitor. So they have 152 keywords and it's generating 240, give or take. It's going to be more than that. It's almost always more. 240 plus people to their site per month. So let's look at their keywords. And some of these may not even be buyer intent keywords. So crawl space flooded, that's not buyer intent. Flooded crawl space, that is not buyer intent. Sewage cleanup Denver, that is buyer intent because somebody needs to clean up their sewage leak or, sewer line backup in Denver. That's probably meaning they need to do that right now. So you can see how many people are searching for this per month. And what you should do is take all the buyer intent keywords, so water mitigation, Denver, Colorado, take all of the ones that make sense, copy what they have in here, and then just add more. Okay, so get your website up to 1,500 words, on the home page, and then riddle your site with at least 150 buyer intent keywords. So that's the first thing we want to do. The second thing we want to do is we want to talk about backlinks. So a backlink is anytime another website links to your website, it drives traffic to your site. So Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking to your website. Okay? So we can see you have one backlink from one other website. Your top competitor has 124 backlinks coming from 31 other websites. So, it's simple. They already did the hard work for you. All you got to do is go into their backlinks. And these are all the different websites or blogs that are linking to them. Use all the same ones. Go put yourself into all of these websites, get listed. You can put your information in here and link it to your site. So do that, go one by one and link yourself into all these websites. And that will help get you ranked. Now, quality is better than quantity with backlinks. They're not all created equal. So you don't want to just go link yourself to a Pizza Hut or a restaurant blog, because Google knows that you're not in the restaurant industry or the food industry. You want to do it with other restoration companies, HVAC, plumbing, insurance companies that are related to your field. Okay. And the last thing I want to go over is how to get yourself listed in this map pack. This is really important because most people are searching for businesses on their cell phones, and this pops up really nicely on a cell phone at the top of the page. So what you need to do here, you need to figure out how many directories ABOTS is listed in and cite yourself in all of those directories. So a citation is what we're worried about here. A citation is anywhere you can list your business name, address, and phone number into a directory that Google can trust, and create a Google My Business account so that Google knows to rank those with those cited directories. Okay. So all you need to do is figure out how many directories they're in. If they're in 150, add yourself to 200 or 250 and beat them there as well. Okay. So this isn't going to happen overnight. It takes some time. Excuse me. It takes some time, but you have two options. You can either run with this information and do your best to get this done, or if you have questions or aren't really sure where to start or how to do this, I'm more than happy to help. Give me a call and we can go over your goals and how you want your 2023 to look. And if it's something I can help with, I am happy to do so. Okay. Robert, thank you for your time. I'll let you get back to it. Have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.